I'm inviting you to eavesdrop on this very special private conversation with Ms. Regine Velasquez, who first and foremost is a friend. Welcome to the show. Thank you.
Hello.
Magandang gabi and welcome.
Yes, it's my first time.
Do you realize...
Kinakabahan ako.
Bakit mo makakabahan? Do you realize the power you have? Like, for example, this friend of ours who used to be an executive secretary, nanood lamang na yung concerts of folk arts, kinabukasan and the months that followed, she became a better person, she became a better employee until she was promoted. How nice, no?
So nice. That is so pretty. I don't really know that I have that kind of effect.
But you realize that you have the power to touch lives and to change lives of people you don't even know. Diba?
I don't really know that, but I know that every time I perform, I somehow touch them by my songs. But I don't really know that by performing like that, nagbabago talaga yung outlook nila sa buhay, which is, I think, good. Maybe because they can somehow relate to me and they know where I came from, and I never, hindi ko tinago kasi yun eh.
You're very happy with your beginnings. At
Yes.
saka sabi nga niya, nung napanood ka raw niya that night sa folk arts, alam niya na bawat awitin, bawat note, bawat letra ng yung sinasabi doon sa entablado nanggagaling sa puso. Alam mo yun, how nice, no? Actually, when she's talking about it, I said, come on. Alam mo yun, yung...
Ganun kakatouch.
Ganon? O yung sobra naman. Hindi, but actually, when she started talking about, hindi, sabi niya, ako hindi ako marunong kumanta. Pero pagbalik ko sa opisina, if I can answer the phone better than I used to do it, why can't I? Diba? If this girl who used to join amateur singing contests is now someone who can actually just cause a heavy downpour tomorrow. Yung, talagang she was raving and she was gushing.
Well, kasi ako naman pagka nag-perform ako talaga, I really give it my best, no?
And you're
Siguro
all.
na nakikita din nila yon, and I'm thank God nakikita nila yon. So, lahat ng ginagawa ko, even when I do movies, I don't do movies just for the sake of doing movies. I make sure that mapapanindigan ko yon, gusto ko yung character na ipoportray ko, tama sa image, yung mga ganon.
We will talk about the movies because it's another thing that surprised a lot of us. Because hindi namin inaasahan magiging box office queen si Regine Velasquez. But anyway, pag-usapan muna natin yung mga tagahanga, Regine. Una, ang dami-dami mo ng tagahanga ngayon. No? Naalala mo ba, 17 years ago nung tayo nag-uumpisa? Kanino ka tagahanga nun?
Ako, tagahanga.
Oo, noon.
Well, I still am a big fan of course, Kuya Desma, you know that. Ever since
the pop
naman
diva.
Yan, oh, ever since pa naman yan, dati pa yan. Martin and Pops, Gary, I was a big fan of theirs. So,
Noong mga kapanahonan nyo na nasa amateur singing contest ka pa?
sa amateur singing contest, ang idol ko si Imelda Papin.
Kasi yun ang song mo, di ba? Ano yun? Yung...
Tsaka si Didith Reyes, I used to sing Bakit Ako Mahihiya. Panglaban ko yun eh.
Madalas, no?
Oo, at nananalo ko doon. Oo.
Bakit ako mahihiya? Have you seen Didith Reyes?
Not in person. I've
Not
never
in
met
person.
her.
What would you tell her?
I would tell her, you know what, I used to sing your songs.
Oo, bakit ako mahihiya? Because I had a chance to do an interview with Didith last year. She's based now in Santa Cruz, Laguna, actually. She's a fine, fun lady.
And you know, nakakausap ko si Celeste Legaspi before, and she'd tell me, my God, when Didith Reyes came out, all of us looked like furnitures. Because she was just so beautiful and stunning when pagka tumayo na yun sa stage, parang, furnitures lahat ng tao.
Oh, and she made singing so easy.
Oo.
Diba? But is there a time, Regine, in your life today, na nagtatanong ka pa, bakit ang dami-daming humahanga sa akin?
Oo.
Nagtatanong ka pa?
Nagtataka din ako. Hindi ko rin alam. I mean, I've been in the business for quite a long time, you know that.
About 17 years, yeah.
Yeah, I started with you.
We started together.
Yeah, and...
Not that I am younger than you are, but we did start together. Yes, and then?
I'm still amazed that these people are still, you know, interested to listen to my music and to watch my movies and buy my albums.
Ang bait nila, no?
Ang bait ng mga tao. I don't even wanna call them fans. I call them friends and my supporters.
You've been through a lot of controversies. Ang napapansin ko sa'yo, because I've been closely watching your career. Napaka-forgiving ng audience mo sa'yo. Lahat ng intrigang pinagdaanan mo, talaga they stood by you all these years. And for that, I think you're so lucky. Reyna ka rin ang mga bakla.
Diyosa.
Diba? You're aware of that, no?
Alam mo, nakakatuwa nga yan eh. Hindi ko nga alam na may ganun pala. Pero nakakatuwa kasi, siguro natatawa sila sa mga, yung mga kanta ko kasi, yung mga talagang makapagdamdaming mga love songs. And they relate to the songs that I sing. And plus, once again, my background, I think they can really relate to where I came from eh.
Right.
Yung Rags
Cinderella.
to Riches, yung Cinderella story. Because hindi ko talaga kinahiya yun eh. Why? Bakit ko naman kasi ikakahiya yun? So, I was very open about where I came from and what happened to me and how hard I worked so that I can be here. So, I think nakaka-relate ang mga bading.
Right, that's
ang mga
right.
bading sa istorya ko. So, natutuwa talaga ako. And as a matter of fact, I even support a lot of them. Kung meron silang concerts, I'm ang favorite guest.
And you know why? What's very impressive to everyone eavesdropping is that you've performed at the Coliseum, at the Folk Arts Theater, all the ballrooms in this country, Carnegie Hall. You've performed just about everywhere in this whole wide world. Pero hindi ka natatakot mag-perform sa mga library, halimbawa, small venue like that, for friends, no? That's really amazing.
Nag-concert nga ako dun eh.
Alam ko. For what? Simply because you wanted to do it for friends.
Yeah.
You must have been gay in your previous life.
I think I still am.
Alam mo, let's go back to the days when you were performing in Baliwag. Ano yung mga lugar? Di Marco? Ano yun?
De Marcos.
Di Marcos?
It's a restaurant.
That's a restaurant.
Yes, I used to sing there.
Tell me your story when you were there. How old were you during that time?
I started when I was like about 12.
Anong mga nagsiset ka doon?
Nagsiset ako 3 sets per night. I have 3 nights in a week.
Magkano
Friday,
bayad sa'yo?
Saturday, Sunday. 300.
300.
No, I think when I started, it was just like 150 eh.
150.
Tapos na-increase ako ng 200.
Talaga? Ano yung mga sinusot mo nun?
Mga raffles.
Ano mga inaawit mo aside from bakit ako mahihiya?
Ay, hindi. Medyo naging social na ako noon. Nag-improve ng ano ko noon. Not that I'm saying na baduy ang bakit ako mahihiya. Pero mas nag-English songs na ako
Doon sa De Marcos.
Hindi uso ang English songs sa amateur. Hindi naman. Pero karamihan ang kinakanta ko Tagalog. Anyway, medyo doon ko na na-discover si Cool Ledesma. Tapos meron ng mga Barbra Streisand.
Until I Met You.
Ganyan. Tapos meron ng mga Angela Bofill, mga Whitney Houston. Yeah. Yun yung mga...
Ano yun? -1?
-1 na cassette.
Na cassette.
Tapos magsiset ako like, kung 30 minutes, like about mga 12 songs.
Wow.
Ganyan.
3 beses yun, 3 sets sa isang gabi.
3 sets yun sa isang gabi.
What was a favorite song? Ano yung most requested song during those times? At De Marcos in Baliwag, Bulacan.
Cool Ledesma, because I used to copy her. I can really copy her before, but not anymore. Angela Bofill, even her
What song of Angela?
facial expression, I copy when I...
Anong kanta ni Angela Bofill in particular?
This Time I'll Be Sweeter,
Yeah.
Break It To Me Gently, and then of course, Whitney Houston, Greatest Love of All. Tapos, Sheena Easton, For Your Eyes Only, Telephone, kinakanta ko yun before.
Wow. A lot of people, Regine, think that you have this natural talent to reinvent yourself. Like today, I mean, you got into this studio with this hair. I mean, where do you get these ideas? At, you know, like I judged in Star for a night, and you were wearing that plunging, whatever. I said, wow, I'm so proud of this girl. But the question is, paano mo ito nagagawa? At paano mo nagagawa na parang natural sa'yo? But before you tell me, we'll take a short break.
Okay.
You're part of this private conversation having with our dear friend, Regine Velasquez. Stay with us. We will be right back.